क्या जैस्मिन भसीन आपके अनुसार फेक है?
I don't know her.
डू यू जेन्युइनली फील कि तुम्हें शॉर्ट चेंज किया गया एंड दिस इन वन सिंपल लाइन वाज अनफेयर टू यू?
Well, again, it was unfair on the part of people who voted me out. But if we see this game, we have signed up for it. And there are eliminations, there are shocking eliminations. It's a game of successive eliminations. So you can't say ki somebody else who had also lived, like, let's say, to 120 days, it would have been fair for him. But this is the game, and we have to take it. मुझे जो बुरा लगा वो ये लगा कि जो मेरे फैंस थे उनको बुरा लगा. They were like really hoping like he should stay. I'm feeling bad reading their comments. But personally, if you ask me, I take it like in a very sportsman way. कि ठीक है यार, ये गेम ऐसा ही है, सरप्राइजेस होते हैं, एलिमिनेशंस होती हैं, शॉकिंग. Move on. I mean, come on. Don't keep that weight around your neck. It'll weigh you down.
तुम्हारा अभी इक्वेशन जैस्मिन के साथ क्या है? वो पहले तुम्हारी दोस्त थी, फिर अली गोनी घर में आए, फिर उनकी झगड़ा बहुत ज्यादा हुआ था रुबीना के साथ. अभी भी लगता है जैसे जैस्मिन हैज अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रजेस. वो अभी भी तुमसे खफा है, नाखुश है. इनफैक्ट उन्होंने नेम किया था आपको एविक्शन के लिए एज वेल, राइट? आपका इक्वेशन जैस्मिन के साथ.
So 100 बातों की एक बात, and long story short, I don't know Jasmine.
I want you to explain that to me.
That's the explanation. I don't know her.
You don't trust her or you don't know her?
I don't know her.
Do you want to, ऐसा है दिमाग में कि जब वो घर से बाहर आप आए हो, क्या आप जैस्मिन को फोन करके मिलना चाहते हो कि बोलो जैस्मिन ये क्या है?
No. Whatever happened, I've left it inside that house. I don't want any single baggage from that house which I want to carry around my neck. Life is beautiful. बाहर आया हूँ. अभी I'm a creative person. I'm trying to create, cinema. I'm trying to make films, short films. I want to focus my energy on that. And I think it would be very counterproductive if you get those baggages from that house, bring it outside and start discussing it. I don't think that thing belongs in a resume of a smart guy or a smart person. So मैंने तो बोल दिया clearly, जो हुआ घर के अंदर वहीं रह गया. I am going to pick the people I want to be in touch with, who I liked. I'm not going to belittle anyone and say वो बुरा था या ऐसा था. So
कहीं डीप डाउन आप वापस दोस्ती करना चाहोगे जैस्मिन के साथ एट एनी गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम? वो गिला, वो शिकवा, वो थॉट है दिमाग में?
No.
कविता कौशिक और उनके पति ने आपको अक्यूज किया था ऑफ सेंडिंग ड्रंकन टेक्स्ट. आपने ये तक कहा था कि मैं लीगल एक्शन करूंगा कविता के खिलाफ. आर यू गोइंग टू परस्यू इट, या फिर वुड यू लाइक टू टॉक टू कविता अबाउट इट?
No. So basically, जो भी हुआ, that was solved very amicably inside the house and in presence of course, Khan Saab, and it has been done and dusted. And abhi, I'm sure they are mature, I'm mature, nobody is going to like bring it up again. So it's over. It's over.
राहुल वैद्य और आपकी भी इतनी जमी नहीं, you know what I mean?
Yes.
क्या था? What was the problem?
See, I don't like him on a very basic level. Like, we have basic differences, and I don't, you can patch up with someone जिसका एक argument हो, एक झड़प हो, but हाँ थोड़ा temperament मिलता है, लेकिन हाँ एक दिन झड़प हो गई. तो like Ali, like I connected with Ali more. उसके साथ भी मेरी लड़ाई हुई, लेकिन basic problem नहीं थी कहीं. Whether is opposite of my personality, so nothing will ever, whatever effort done will improve that.
आपको उसको चांस भी नहीं देना है? When come
No,
home?
why? Yes, of course, कहीं मिलेंगे ऐसे आते जाते तो hi hello सब ठीक है उस टाइप से, but why? I told you the basic differences. He's exactly opposite personality of what I am.
अली गोनी, क्या आप उनको बैकस्टैबर बोलेंगे या नहीं?
I won't call him a backstabber, but he is very clever. He's cunning, which is I think good for the game. लोग बोलते हैं game है. अब आप उसमें हर बंदे का एक तरीका अलग है उसको खेलने का. So maybe he's doing it for the game, and if that is the case, if he's gone so far with that, then congratulations, that's working for him.
कभी भी क्या अभिनव अली गोनी को अपना दोस्त बनाएगा, ट्रस्ट कर पाएगा जिंदगी भर के लिए, हाँ या ना?
मेरा trust, like I'll tell you, since the time I've moved to Mumbai, it's been 12 years, I've made only like 5 or 6 friends. So मेरा criteria who I call a friend is very 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 harsh. It's मतलब वो ऐसे है कि उसका attrition rate बहुत high है. तो अली अच्छा लड़का है, I like him, he's like, he jokes around on a basic level, he's a nice guy. funny guy. लेकिन दोस्ती क्यों करनी है भाई? क्या जरूरत है? हम मिलेगा तो बैठेंगे, बातचीत होगी, लेकिन वही है कि आप he is smart and clever, even cunning. तो वो वहां पे मुझे थोड़ा लगेगा कि यार कि if he's my friend, what if जैसा गेम के अंदर था, तो वो ऐसा तो है नहीं है कि उसके लिए उसने स्पेशल कोई अपनी पर्सनालिटी को चेंज किया है, वो चीज बाहर भी तो होगी. So yeah, you can मतलब if we meet, yes, we'll be cordial, we'll say hi, hello, but friend, I don't know if we can be friends.
निकी तंबोली, क्या वो ट्रस्टवर्दी है?
From the show point of view, no. But Rubina and she are going very strong, which is surprising. But I think she's doing it for herself. Why not? वो अपने लिए करती है जो भी करती है, and nothing wrong in it. In fact, I saw a different side of her when she got evicted and came back. I started liking that Nikki, and I told her, यार तू जो अभी कर रही है वो बहुत सही कर रही है. So I like you, and just that she has that tone, you know, the way she speaks. I said, just cut down on it, you'll be fab. And Baki, now this is finale week. I don't expect anyone to, you know, sacrifice for someone. All men for themselves. वाला काम है अभी.
क्या जैस्मिन भसीन आपके अनुसार फेक है?
I don't know her.
क्या इजाज खान तुम्हारे दोस्त है कि नहीं?
Yes, he was a friend. I knew him from before, but इतना भी नहीं जानता था. लेकिन जो शो के थ्रू देखा है मैंने, I don't want to know that Ijaz. I think he's a very interesting guy outside that show. You know, he's a well-read guy. He wants to read a lot. So he likes outdoors. He likes peace. But अंदर कुछ और देखा मैंने. So I don't know.
Did you like the Ijaz जो तुमने घर के अंदर देखा था?
No, that's what I'm saying. No, I like the Ijaz outside. He's a brilliant guy.
Do you think again तुम और इजाज मिलोगे तो बॉन्डिंग पहले जैसे हो सकती थी जब तुम दोनों दोस्त थे?
शायद. See, we were not that great friend. We were like, we had gone camping like couple of times, और एक 4-5 बार हम ऐसे मिले थे. So this guy is like, he's an interesting guy to be honest. Like he knows a lot. He's well read. So outside he was different, but जो अंदर था वो मैं या maybe मुझे ऐसा लगा because मैंने पूरी तरह इजाज को जाना नहीं बाहर. लेकिन जो शो का इजाज है, I don't want to know him. जो बाहर है, he's a nice interesting guy. Might, you know, जब मिलेंगे तो बैठ के शायद बात हो इस बारे में.
भाई
Anyway,
दो चीजें जो तुम रिग्रेट करते हो बिग बॉस के घर में जो तुमने की थी, और तुम कहते हो रियल अभिनव शुक्ला ये कभी नहीं करता, एंड दोस टू एक्ट्स ऑफ माइंड, या बोलने वाली चीज हो या फिजिकल एक्ट्स हो जो तुम कहते हो दिस इज नॉट अभिनव शुक्ला एंड आई एम अपसेट विद अभिनव शुक्ला फॉर दिस एंड आई विल नेवर डू इट अगेन.
Honestly, I haven't done anything which I really regret, but yes, that one mistake where I should have drawn a line with Rakhi, that was one thing which मतलब अगर मैं जाऊं तो मैं उसको चेंज कर दूं, and there's nothing else.